Preparing the flattened states of sheet metals is highly time-consuming process. If you are working with assemblies included many sheet metal designs, you will surely get tired creating the flat patterns manually. That's exactly what SOLIDGUN provides, a good solution about calculating and reporting all sheet metals. SOLIDGUN automatically detects all sheet metals in your designs and exports to flattened state as DXF, DWG, PDF formats rapidly. Thus, it accelerates your working process from design to manufacturing. It's time to speed up the process by 10 times. The SOLIDGUN is a user-friendly software that you can run in just 3 steps. Just select the design, select the configuration, and push the start button. That's easy. Download the trial and experience SOLIDGUN.